വയനാട്ടിൽ നടന്ന മഹാദുരന്തത്തിൽ അടിയന്തരമായി ഇടപെടുകയായിരുന്നു ലോക്സഭയ്ക്കുള്ളിലും രാജ്യസഭയ്ക്കുള്ളിലും കേരളത്തിലെ എംപിമാർ. വയനാട്ടിലെ എംപിമാർ എന്തു ചെയ്യുന്നു എന്ന ചോദ്യത്തിന് കൃത്യമായ മറുപടി നൽകുവാൻ കഴിയുന്ന തരത്തിലേക്കാണ് രാജ്യസഭയിലും ലോക്സഭയിലുമെല്ലാം എംപിമാരുടെ ഇടപെടൽ. പാർലമെന്റിൽ രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധിയും KC വേണുഗോപാലും അങ്ങനെ കേരളത്തിന്റെ പ്രതിനിധികളായി പോയ എല്ലാ എംപിമാരും കൃത്യമായി അവരുടെ ആവശ്യങ്ങൾ ഉന്നയിക്കുക തന്നെ ചെയ്തു. രാജ്യസഭയിലെ എംപിമാരും അത്തരത്തിൽ തന്നെയാണ് പ്രതികരിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. എത്രയും വേഗം ഇത് ദേശീയ ദുരന്തമായി പ്രഖ്യാപിക്കണം, ആവശ്യത്തിന് ധനസഹായം അവിടേക്ക് എത്തിക്കേണ്ടതുണ്ട്. അങ്ങനെ മലയാളികളെ ദുരന്തത്തിൽ നിന്ന് കൈപിടിച്ചുയർത്തുവാൻ കക്ഷി രാഷ്ട്രീയത്തിനെല്ലാം അപ്പുറം നിന്നുകൊണ്ട് എല്ലാ എംപിമാരും രാഷ്ട്രീയത്തിനതീതമായി അവിടെ ഒറ്റ ശബ്ദമായി മുഴങ്ങി നിൽക്കുകയാണ്.
Once again, it was indicated to me by Shri Pramod Tiwari that Honorable LOP would also like to speak on this. We have had several members. JB Mathur had spoken to me. John Bitas has spoken to me. In detail, Mr. Kiran Rijiju has spoken to me. This is a very painful situation. Several people have lost their lives in a calamity, and state government and the central government are acting in tandem and togetherness. We are distressed by the landslides in parts of Kerala. Yes, you also raised. You also raised. 1 second.
Please release
our
thoughts. Madam.
1 second. Our thoughts in bipartisan matter are with those who have lost their lives, and if they are injured, we wish them speedy recovery. It is a situation where the entire nation has risen to give relief to the people concerned. All agencies, central government, state government, the Prime Minister of the country has spoken to the Chief Minister. He has expressed all help to be given to them. There has been some ex gratia payment already by the central government. I am sure the state government is doing. Honorable members, leader of the opposition has made only one demand, that their member should be allowed to speak. Before the member came to me, 4 other members had come to me. John Bitas had come to my chamber. Santosh Kumar P had come to my chamber. You had also invited my attention. All I am saying is, at the moment, yes, you also had come. At the moment, all that can be done is, we can express our solidarity. Okay. John Bitas, I'll call the members. I'll call the members to be very brief and one by one, and I will give precedence to those who came first in point of time to me. John Bitas.
Thank you very much.
1 minute.
Sir, thank you very much, sir, for your kind indulgence. This is a serious matter, a bipartisan matter. A heavy tragedy has struck Kerala. The death toll has gone up, and we are fearing more deaths, sir. 4 villages have been cut off, and there have been coordinated efforts. The Chief Minister is camping in Wayanad. As you know, Wayanad is a picturesque place, but mountain plateau. So we really want the indulgence of the government of India, especially the help of the ministries like Defense, Home and Finance. Already there are amounts pending in disaster fund. So we want the military to send their dispatches to Kerala, the finance to lend their hand to Kerala, and all possible.
There are already 50 deaths are confirmed. It is likely to rise up to 300 or 400.
Unfortunate.
So unfortunate. I don't want to talk much on this issue. I would like to request to you, sir, to declare this as a national disaster, number one. Number 2, to include Kerala in the list of, there is a new scheme announced by the Honorable Finance Minister. Bihar, Assam, Himachal and Uttarakhand are part of it. So I would like to request the government to include Kerala in it.
On this incident, please.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir. The only request is to include Kerala.
Please, I got your point.
Ecologically fragile place.
Please.
See, Kerala is your land also, sir.
Okay, please.
It's the land of everyone.
Yes, you have made a point. You have made a good point.
Compensation to those who are dying.
Okay.
These are the 3 demands. Please understand.
Please.
Prime Minister of India and everybody, this early morning, they consulted our Chief Minister and everything. We accept and we have got respect. But now the issue is no money with the Kerala government. At least immediately, you have to release some money to move all this one. So,
But please, one by one. No. I will give you an opportunity. Take your seat.
Sir,
take your seat.
I am from Wayanad constituency, and I am leaving now, irrespective of my question hour and all. Now I am leaving for Wayanad. So we are meeting the people. We have to say something from Minister.
Gravity of the situation. The bodies of more than 25 bodies are found 40 kilometers downstream and a different district in Calicut. So you should understand the gravity of the situation. 500 families are stranded over there, and more deaths are reporting every minute. And it is not, can you have 2 minutes to express our grievance? And the government is not ready to listen. We have the first-hand information than the people sitting on the tertiary bench. And you should don't put any political cover to this. Please give all assistance.
Thank you.
Why the Sunday Kerala?
Thank you. JB, then after. JB Matherism.
So the Wayanad tragedy, the landslide that the devastation cannot be measured at this moment now. It is so vast, it is so devastating that 43 deaths, that's from babies, little babies to the elderlies have passed away, and even families have swept. Families, it's not just one from family, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have news of that. We have first-hand information. So our request is the government should immediately declare this as a national disaster, provide 5,000 crore package immediately. Sir, 1 second,
Yes.
sir, let me. A bridge has collapsed. A bridge has collapsed. That bridge has to be made now temporary bridge to be consulted.
Now.
NDRF
Have I made a mistake in giving you floor?
and helicopter
Take your seat now.
immediately, sir.
Nothing will go now, please. Just 2 minutes.
Sir, this is a very painful day for every Kerala, sir. Very painful. See, please consider us. We are praying for the assistance from the union government. Sir, we are
What
praying.
are you saying?
Sir, we are praying. Sir,
Don't make
sir,
a speech.
Sir, just a minute, sir.
Don't make a speech.
Sir, just a minute, sir. Sir,
You are not aware.
Sir, just a minute, sir.
Before sunrise,
Sir,
people
sir,
were in action.
Sir, just a minute, sir.
Before
We-
sunrise,
sir, the first
Chief
thing-
Minister, Prime
sir,
Minister have been in action.
Sir, rescue
Don't
is
do
the-
this.
Sir, sir.
No, don't do
proper-
this, please.
Sir, just a
You are
minute,
not
sir.
aware what is happening.
Yes, just a minute, sir.
No, don't make it political.
No, never.
You are not aware what is
Never,
happening. I am aware.
Sir, I am
fully aware.
Sir, I am trying to express my feelings, sir. Sir, I am trying to express my feeling. Sir, please, just a minute, sir. Sir, ensure the rescue process. Please ensure proper rescue process and please assist us for the rescue.
Okay,
proper
sir.
rescue.
Point well taken.
Yeah, sir, in Wayanad is very dear to my home village, sir. Sir, there, very painful incident was happened. The intervention of the central government and proper assistance from the government is very necessary. So government should ensure the financial assistance and all possible assistance
Yes,
from
yes,
here
sir.
to
Please.
the state.
Thank
So this is my humble
you,
request,
thank
sir. We should
Leader of
stand
the
with the
House.
families.
No. When I came, even before that, I was aware of it. I updated myself, and I found it very gratifying. Once again, I found it very gratifying that Honorable Chief Minister was very active. The Prime Minister was active. The agencies are in coordination. They are doing everything possibly can be done. No time has been lost in this. There is convergence.
ये सिर्फ केरल की त्रासदी नहीं है, सारा देश इससे द्रवित है और यहाँ भी हाउस के सभी लोग, इस पक्ष के उस पक्ष के सभी पार्टियों के सभी द्रवित हैं और सभी दुखी हैं कि यह घटना घटी है, नेचुरल कैलामिटी है। भारत सरकार भी प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में प्रोएक्टिव होकर के जो भी केरल में राहत कार्य के लिए आवश्यक है वो कर रहे हैं और वो किया जाएगा। मैं सरकार की तरफ से ये एश्योरेंस देता हूं कि जो भी जरूरत होगी वो पूरी की जाएगी। हमारा उद्वेलित होना यह स्वाभाविक है, लेकिन यह इस तरह की घटना को एड्रेस करने का एक स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसीजर है। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने मुख्यमंत्री जी केरल से बात की, उनको आश्वासन भी दिया। जो वहाँ पर रिलीफ के लिए जो जो हमारी एजेंसीज हैं उनके तरफ से जो सपोर्ट जाना चाहिए वो वहाँ पहुँच गई हैं, पहुँचाई जा रही हैं। स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के साथ कोऑर्डिनेशन में काम चल रहा है। अभी इस वक्त जो प्राइमरी ज़रूरत है वो इस बात की है कि बॉडीज़ को निकाला जाए, जो बचने की स्थिति में है उनको बचाया जाए। हेल्थ के दृष्टि से हम वहाँ पर काम करें, इमरजेंसी रिस्पांस सिस्टम को हम एक्टिवेट करें, वो सारी चीज़ें की जा रही हैं और आपकी भावनाओं के साथ हम सब जुड़े हैं, हम सब लोग उसके साथ हैं। और फिर से मैं एक ही बात कहना चाहूँगा कि मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में चलने वाली सरकार प्रोएक्टिव है, प्रो रिस्पॉन्सिव है और उसको हम पूरा करेंगे। मैं ब्रिटास जी की भावनाओं का सम्मान करता हूं, लेकिन हम जिस जगह पर बैठे हैं और आप जिस जगह पर बैठे हैं, सिर्फ उद्वेलित होने से काम नहीं चलता। हमें वी हैव टू ट्रांसलेट इट टू इन एक्शन, एंड इफ देयर इज एनी सजेशन दैट वी हैव टू इंप्रूव समथिंग इन आवर एक्शन, प्लीज डू दैट। वी आर टुगेदर, वी आर नॉट डिफरेंट, हम एक से जैसे हैं। तो इसलिए मैं सरकार की तरफ से हाउस को और हाउस के साथ साथ देश को आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं कि वहां कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ी जाएगी और उसको पूरा किया जाएगा।
Raise their concern, and leader of the house has already made the position clear. Government will definitely, if the chair directs and if the house agrees, will try to come back with the details of the incident.
Can you take your seat, or you want me to that you should be out of the house? Why are you rising every time? No, please. If you are ready, you may leave. What is this?
Sir, any natural calamity is a serious concern for everyone. And as the Honorable Leader of the House has already mentioned, I just want to make a small clarification because two of the Honorable members have said that central government has not released fund. Chidambaram ji is here, he was Home Minister. I handled this ministry for 5 years. Funds are always placed in advance in the beginning of the year with the state government, which is resources pulled together by the state government and central government under SDRF. So now,
Please,
What is this?
Mr. John Brittas,
You
Mr. John Brittas, Mr. John Brittas, Mr. John Brittas, if you rise any further,
He doesn't know the system.
then I will have to make observations not palatable. Don't do it.
This is not the time to play politics. This is a serious matter.
Okay.
So, sir,
Please, 1 second. One second. I am absolutely pained. John Brittas, it is such a solemn occasion. Why? Again, you are interrupting. Why? Don't allow the minister to say something. Listen to him. Then you'll have to hear me also. What I will be saying, please, bear with us. Understand, digest, and then proceed. Honorable Minister.
So, sir, already the Minister of State, the Minister of Minority Affairs, Joseph Kurian, has been sent early morning. George Kurian has been sent by the Prime Minister. He is a minister in the union government and he comes from Kerala. So he has already been sent to Kerala early morning. On top of that, the NDRF, the SDRF, the Disaster Response Force, the Central Armed Police Forces, the Indian Military Forces, they are already been activated and already on the job, working on the ground, and they are already there, and to connect with them, Indian Air Force has been activated. And for that matter, sir, I would like to inform the Honorable House that Honorable Leader of the House has already mentioned it. Now the issue is about immediate relief and rescue. Sir, in any disaster, the first step is relief and rescue. Then comes the recovery and reconstruction and rehabilitation. So we have to go by step. Right now is the time for rescue and relief. This is the most immediate requirement in any kind of any natural calamities, wherever it occurs. So, sir, my only request is to echo with the sentiments raised by all the members and the Honorable Leader of the House that government is doing everything, whatever is to be done with the coordination with the state government. But I will ask the Home Ministry to come out with a detailed report if the House wants as soon as possible.
Only for benefit of everyone and myself also. There is a Disaster Management Act 2005. That act has a very strong mechanism, right from district disaster management, state disaster management, national disaster management. And one of our distinguished members is Jairam Ramesh. While the bill was being taken into consideration in 2005, he made very elaborate submissions. I would urge the members, there is a mechanism in place. Once you activate that mechanism, things automatically move in tandem.